Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony SRS-XG300 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker not connecting to your mobile phone or your device, or if it's not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting, issues like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you're going to need to set it up again because the pairing history will be wiped off of your speaker, and that's the second reason you might want to do this. If for whatever reason you want everything wiped off this speaker just to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, you can do that quite easily. All we need to do is the speaker needs to be turned on, first of all, for this to work. And then with the speaker turned on, we're just going to find the play, pause, call button and the mega bass button. And we're going to press and hold those two buttons simultaneously for at least 5 seconds until the speaker turns off. Once the speaker turns off, the reset is complete and we can let go of the buttons. We can then come in and go ahead and turn the speaker on and set it up as a brand new speaker.